What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com, and we are doing our final market review for the week, August 17th, 2018, S&P 500. We were talking about this little range right through here in Ask a Trader all week, and it's been something that we've been talking about our traders about. And you can see right through here, price action kind of dipped late last week, had this nice little reversal candle pretty much over that 50-day simple moving average, and has bumped through this tiny little range and closed above there today. Now, it is Friday. There is that old rhetoric that a strong Friday leads into a strong Monday. We are so incredibly close to S&P 500 all-time high right through here at approximately 28.73. We are still waiting. So the bulls out there that are swing trading long and hitting the markets to the long side, buckle up, stay tuned. It's looking like things are looking pretty good. All the swing trades that we've been covering long in Ask a Trader are all incredibly bullish right now and doing very, very well. The day trades that we're doing are also doing exceptionally well to the upside, but again, they're also doing exceptionally well to the downside for the ones that we're shorting. Speaking of which, today we had a massive short. We had about a 15% return on a stock that we were shorting early on in the session today. We held this thing for about 12 and a half, 13 minutes, and we hit about a 14 to 15% return on that. If you want to learn more about that trade, click the link below and join us in Ask a Trader on Tuesday, and we'll be discussing those stocks that we traded today. But for now, on the market recap, S&P 500 approaching all-time highs. I personally feel that when that all-time high level right through here is broken out at 28.73, we're going to see a monster rush to the upside, and clearly when we rocket out of this area, we'll be setting new all-time highs, and the market is going to get very, very bullish. If you want to learn more about the stocks that we're trading, again, just click the link below. Join us in Ask a Trader, totally free, and we'll be going over both the day trades that we're putting on, long, short, and we'll be discussing the long, short swing trades that we're doing. If you have any questions, my name is Julian. Feel free to email me at info@JLewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching this market recap, and we'll see you in the next one.